Hello everyone, this is just a test stream. I am starting a series in which we will learn how to design and develop a website. And I tried just 10 minutes before to make a session, but there was no audio. So I'm trying it again, maybe it works this time. And if it works, then I will continue doing these live sessions on website designing and development starting from the very beginning so that the people who do not know how to design or develop a website they may get knowledge of designing websites. So I don't know if the audio is working. I will try to listen myself, and if it works, then I think my audio is now working. I have checked it, so I will do now the first session by myself. There are not much people online, but it is not a problem. I will do this live session, and then I will share the video on different platforms, and then we will see what is the response. But even if there is not much response, I will keep doing it because in the long run maybe the people see it and get some knowledge. So we will start our first session today, and I will tell you about website designing and development. So we come here, and you see there I have already made a file. When you are making a website, what is a website? A website, for example, you see every day this hotmail.com, facebook.com, twitter.com. These are all websites, and these are very complicated websites. We will start from very beginning. That's why we will be doing simple pages, and then we will build upon it. So I will show you how to build your first web page now, and then we will continue doing it in the future. So first of all, you make a new folder where you will save your work that you will be doing, and you make a new text file. Okay, here is a new text file, and then you can rename the text file whatever you like, just like whatever you want to name it, you can name it. I name it, for example, test. And then the extension part, you must have the extension. The web pages, HTML web pages have the extension HTML or HTM. It is better to write it HTM because most of the extensions have three letters, so it is a good practice to have it also HTML. And HTML means hypertext markup language. It means hypertext markup language. I will open this text file only just like that to show you hypertext markup language. This is HTML, abbreviation HTML. Maybe I make it a little bit bigger so that you people can see it better. So today I will be showing you how to create your first web page, and we will also write some text in it. You can see it now better, I think. HTML means hypertext markup language, and there are many technologies that are used when we are building a website, but the the very basic technology is HTML. Hypertext markup language is a programming language just like Urdu, English, Hindi, or like that. These are languages. There are also languages of programming to tell computer what to do. A language tells a computer what to do, and in a website designing, the very basic language that is used is HTML, hypertext. It is called hyper because it has links. If we click on a link in a text, it will take you to the other part of the page or to the other page or to other website. And text is text. Markup language, markup, we will see everything in the process. So you did see it. I told you that you change the extension to HTM. Just like I will show you again. You have to write it like that. Test dot HTM. This portion after dot is called extension. Okay. Maybe some people are so advanced that they know everything, but there can be some people who do not know what is an extension. This is file name, and this is extension part. This is a dot in between. So you will rename your text file that you have created on this, and then you will open this text file in a text editor. This is a text editor, and you will right click it and open it, or just open a text editor and drag it into the text editor. So it is good that we have. I may change the Shrift art. It is. I may change the font so you can see it. Just like I will make it area. Or I think it is better to see. Can be seen easily. So we will write our first program. I will write the basic commands of first program, and then I will explain what these are. I will try to keep this session very short so that it is not very much to consume. So I will write my first program, and I will explain what I am doing. So this is the very basic structure of any website. Any website that is online, just like as you can name it, Facebook, Google, Twitter, and every website has this basic structure that you have to understand. This thing that alone is called a tag. These are all different tags. It is called a tag. This is HTML tag. This is head tag. This is body tag. These are all called tags. And tags are always come in pairs. Tags, every tag has always a pair. HTML has a pair. It is starting tag, it is ending tag. In the ending tag, there is a front slash or right slash, whatever you name it. It is leaning towards the right. On the keyboard, it is less than sign, it is greater than sign. You find it all on your keyboard. So, we can also write another one here, that is title tag. We will close it like that, title tag. So we will put some data in it. We will write it my first web page. Okay, this is the title, and this is the body part. These are divided. These are the very basic structure of every website that you must have. You can also save it anywhere and then reuse it when you like it or when you need it. So it is the outermost part, HTML and HTML. Everything will be inside it, and this is the head portion and this is the body portion. Normally the things that we do not want people to see on our web page are in head portion, and the everything else that we want the people see on our page are in the body section. Just like I will put it here, one heading tag. There are 6 heading tags, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, and I will close it, and I will put in it my first web page. You can see it, my first web page. I will remove this. It was only to explain. This is the very fundamental and basic first web page that has all the necessary tags in it. I will explain it further. Just I want to save it now. It is written in German. It is file and save. You have saved it. Now click this file, and it will open in a web browser that you have default. You see it is here written my first web page. This was the part that we have put in our body tag. I make it just like that so that you can see it better. You can see it. This is the body part, and anything that we put inside body tag, just like this h1. If h1, it will be shown on this part of the page. All the page will be filled, and we will later see how to format it. But you can see that this part is coming here. And this is the title tag. Title tag tells the browser what to show here. You can see here in the title, maybe it is clear or not, I will see it later and I will adjust it as necessary. Here on the top of the this tab you can see my first page is written. It is the title of the tag that we have put here. You can understand what I mean. So we may change this text. So this H1 is for making something a heading. If we remove it and then we save the file and then we see the result. I saved it and then we will refresh it from here or pressing F5. See, it is now very small because I had put a H tag here, and while I had put an H tag here, it has converted it to an heading. You can see here it is now a heading. So it was our first session, and I hope you have enjoyed it and learned something from it. And we will see how things go in future. And if everything works very well, then we may do more sessions just like that, where you can learn how to design and develop websites. So this was our first web page. I have explained already, these are tags. Every tag has a closing tag, just like HTML has a closing tag HTML, head has a closing tag head, title has a closing tag title, and they are done by, they are written by in, just like that. I will write it again. One of them, head, smaller than sign, then you will write head. Spelling these you can also write like that, but it is the common practice to write it like that. All tags, it is common practice to write all tags in small caps, not camel or all capital, just small letters. HEAD, head, and close it. And when you want to end this, then you have to put it front slash head. So it is a complete opening tag and closing tag, and you can put anything inside it and it will effect. So this was our first program, first web page that we have created. In the next coming sessions, I will be doing more sessions, and we will see how to build upon it. We will see how to make any complex website that you can see anywhere on the web world. So thank you very much. I hope you will be sharing it with your friends, and we will be doing more sessions in small chunks so that you can learn it. And you can also ask questions. If you join live session, you can ask live questions. I don't see anybody is online at this time. No problem. The people are busy, and it is also the people may also not know that we are doing live. And if you want to question about what we have already learned or anything else, you can also ask about more advanced things, but we will not be doing going in detail. You can share it, and you can also ask questions when we have put it on YouTube or Facebook or WhatsApp, Telegram, and Twitter, different forums. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please share and ask questions. Happy website development and designing. Thank you very much for the next till the next session.